When using MirrorD, I know that the code that I'm running runs in a real environment with real data. Hi, my name is Giora. I'm a software engineer in the Monday CRM group. Before MirrorD, we had to set up local environments of the entire Monday.com, which involves dozens and dozens of microservices that just don't work as you would expect. Making sure that everything works correctly takes most of the time that is related to developing the feature. What clicked for me in MirrorD was the fact that I'm working on something that is always pre-configured for me and is magically just works well when I try to run it myself. It's really as simple as just opening my code editor, running MirrorD, and starting to test my feature. I don't have to waste time on setting up an environment just to start developing. When I test things directly against staging or a pre-prod environment, I feel much more confident because I know that my feature worked on real dependencies, on real data. Just setting up the local environment took between 30 minutes and 4 hours, and shipping a feature to production could take several days, even a week. Today, for things that I work on with MirrorD, I can ship things within a day or two at most. When I'm working on something new to get to the market, what matters to me is speed. When I'm working on something more mature that affects many users, what matters to me is confidence. When I'm working with MirrorD, I don't have to compromise between the two because I get both of them.